Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to deactivate Messenger or Facebook account. We start by opening Messenger, then click on the top menu and then on the configuration or settings icon. After that, we scroll and click on Account Center, then we enter the Personal Details option. Next, click on the Account Ownership and Control option. Now we click on Deactivation or Deletion and then select the account to deactivate. After this, we are going to click on Continue and then again on Continue. Now we will enter our account password to continue. We select a reason for deactivation and click on Continue. Now we are going to select the period when we want the account to be reactivated and click on Continue. Finally, we confirm whether we want to continue using Messenger or not, and confirm the entire process by clicking on Deactivate My Account. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.